Hi viewers and dear students, I am here today to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2016 October-November Paper 2 documentation part. In this part of the question paper, they ask us to deal with the Word document and get the final printout. So how? Let's start with it. Before I start with the Word document, I need to prepare my evidence document with my name, center number on every page of the evidence document. So we'll go to the desktop here. Here I have all my files, and then here is an evidence document as well. I'm just going to type the name and center number at the top in the header. They are mentioned into the document, top and bottom they did not mention, but I'm just going to type it into the header. That's all. Just close, and then you need to save this one as with your candidate number. So I'm just going to click on file, save this one as with my candidate number, and I'm going to save it as a Word document, and I'm going to create a folder on the desktop with the name Paper 2 2016 October. Oh sorry, I have renamed it with the 2017, so 16, and then we just click on save. So now our evidence document is ready to be used. Here in the next step they ask us to start with the Word document. So you are going to edit an induction document for new staff at Tawara Health Club. The company uses a corporate style house style for all their documents. Paragraph style should be created and applied as instructed. So using a suitable software package, open N21 briefing.rtf. So we'll open here briefing.rtf file. So that is our file. Click on enable editing. Now what you need to do is the page size A4, orientation portrait. So orientation portrait, page size A4, and then the margin setting they said top bottom 2, left right 1.5. so just click here. Top and bottom they said 2, left and right 1.5. nothing to do with the getter position. All margin means only them. Just click on OK. Next step, evidence 1, take screenshot to show paper size, place in your evidence document. So page size, how do you change? Like that, or you just click here and click on paper, then print screen and click on OK. Then just click on your evidence document here, paper size, and just crop it. We just need to show the paper size here that we have changed this one to A4. Then next step is page settings. So for page settings I have to click here and margins, just print screen this time, click on OK, and that is your evidence 2. Evidence 2 again, if you need to crop, you just crop it. Yeah, we just need to crop. Make sure the orientation is not cropped because that is a part of setting. Just like that. That's it. And next step is save the document in your work area with the new name induction, and make sure it is saved into the correct format of your software. So just going to save as, and then desktop I'm going to save it into my folder P2 October 2016 in a Word document format. Saved. Next step, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that this file has been saved, make sure there is an evidence of file type. So you need to go to your folder here and file type, click on your file, print screen, and then paste it into your evidence document that you have saved the file into that specific folder, just like that. Yeah. Next step, create and store the following style. First of all, THC header and footer. So we just click here, home, and we are going to name it TC header and footer. Modify it serif font with 10 point. So serif font is Times New Roman with 10 point, and then as in step 4, alignment as in step 4. So what is alignment in step 4 here? As it is, we don't need to change at all. And then the enhancement italic, and then single before and after line spacing is 0. Everything is 0. Click on OK, and then just click on OK. But here is a paragraph alignment is here, so we just leave this one like that. We don't need to choose any alignment, we will align them accordingly. Click on OK, and then just click on OK. Then let's move to the end of the document here. One more style with the THC title. So just select this one and then apply the settings to it, sans serif 32 point. So we'll create one more style here, sans serif Arial with 32 point this time. So I can just type here 32, and then next step is left align and bold, and then single line spacing before after 0 spacing. So click on OK and just click on OK, and then next step to choose one more heading style, and this time it is THC subtitle. Modify, this one is 16 point right align, again the same sans serif font, no bold, only italic, and then single line spacing after and before line spacing is 0. Just click on OK. OK, done. One more style, it is subheading now. Yeah, so we'll select this one, subhead, modify, and that must be sans serif 14. Sans serif 14, center align as they have mentioned, and underline, no italic, and after spacing is 12. So paragraph after spacing is 12. Click on OK, done. Now one more style, THC body. So quick style, THC body, and then we are going to modify it. We want this one to be serif font with 11 and justified. Serif is Times New Roman, and then no enhancement, and after spacing is 12. So after spacing is 12, that is done. Now the last one is THC table. We are going to modify this one. This one must be 11 and left, again serif font, 11 and left, none and single, and after and before line spacing is also 0. I'm just going to change it to 0, then just click on OK. OK, that is done. Now what we need to do is we need to take a screenshot of THC subheading style and place it in your evidence document. So right click, modify, print screen, OK, go to your evidence document, and that is your subheading style screenshot. Now crop it, as we need only this part of the picture to be seen in our screenshot so that the contents are clearly visible. As you can see here, now they are visible. Next step is to move forward. Place in the header the text Tawara Health Club left align. So Tawara Health Club left align, and in the automated page number right align. So insert a header here. So here we need to write Tawara Health Club, and then on the right side we need page number, and nothing to do in the other value at the center. Then the footer, your center number, candidate number, no name, your center number and candidate number left align. Footer, so your center number and your candidate number, and then after the file name, no path, right align. Here we need file name. Sorry, I have clicked on picture. Here file name with no path, just like that, and delete any other unnecessary items. And they have said here, apply the TC subheading style to your header and footer text. So we'll choose this one first. Our footer, one part, I will just choose one by one, and here I am going to apply the header and footer style to it. And then this one, header footer style, and then after I'm going forward, then we'll choose this one as a header and footer style. Just select this one, just like that. So all the elements are now properly done. We just need to double click here, everything is okay. Yeah, next, moving forward now, they have said make sure that alignment is proper, then no other text is included, header footer are displayed on every page. That is already checked. Now at the start of the document, enter a title, new staff induction. So what I'm going to do is, at the start of the document here, I'm going to insert or paste another heading, new staff induction, as they have mentioned, and we need to apply THC title style to it, just like that. Then next, below the title, add a subtitle, report prepared by, and then after your name you need to add. So just here, and then after you need to type your name here, and then you need to apply subtitle style to it. So we'll select this one and then subtitle, just like that. Then after, apply the THC body style to the rest of the document. So from this part till the end of the document, THC body style, and then after, display all the content after the second paragraph, which ends complete with your line manager into two columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So second column is here. After the second column, from this point till the end, yeah, we are going to check the layout, two columns, yeah, and a 1 centimeter gap between two columns, just like that. Yeah, then after, identify the 9 subheading and apply THC subheading style to them. So 9 subheadings, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8 and 9. Subheading style we need to apply just like this. But before I continue, I would like to check if the THC body style is applied to this whole document properly. If not, just check that. Yeah, now my document look like as they required. Next step is delete the open the file n216 context.csv. So we'll open that file here, context.csv, and then and insert the contents of the table within the width after the text which you may find useful. So this one we need here, which we may need find needful or helpful. You may find useful. So here we need to insert the contents. So just click on insert objects, text from file, and then at the desktop from this folder all files, and then the contacts, insert, and then change this one to the text to table just like that. After this step they ask us to delete the row containing data for ND Clark. So we just need to click here and right click and delete row. Delete it. Next step is format the first row of the table to be bold and underline, center align over 3 columns. So what I'm going to do in this case, we'll select these 3 cells, right click, merge the cells. This one must be center align, bold and italic as well, as they have, not italic, underline, yeah. And then after they have mentioned shaded with a light gray background 20 to 40%. So 20 to 40%, 25 is enough. And the next step is to make sure that the table style is applied to row 2 to 8. So from row 2 to 8 I am going to select from this point till the end, and TC table style is applied. And then after next is numbers are right align. These numbers are right align just like that. So after the numbers are right align, yeah, they have mentioned to text in each cell does not wrap. There is no text wrap. Here is text wrap actually. So we just need to increase the width of this column. Now it is not text wrap. And then only an outside border is displayed when it is printed. So what we need to do, just need to select this one, and then we need to click on only external border just like that. We need to remove no borders, then we need to select outside border just like that. And the next step is to the section with the heading antivirus policy is incomplete. You are required to enter some information about the prevention of virus. Identify 3 methods of preventing virus and enter your answer after the text methods of preventing virus. So here is methods of preventing against the virus. So you can type here 3 methods. So I'm just going to install type here to make sure antivirus software is installed and updated, just like that. Yeah, install and updated. Then next is I can say here, what other point I can mention? Yeah, that do not open unknown emails, or do not open email attachments from unknown sources. And next step is just click here, back, and then we can do this one. Then source, and then third method I can say here that scan portable devices or portable media before use. That's it. Yeah, we just need to do something with this text here. Yeah, we just need to arrange this one a little bit. It's going to cut it from here and paste it. Let's see if we can move it. Yeah, it's okay even if it is like that. Fine. Next step is that change the list from child protection to confidentiality to a numbered list. So here is already till the end confidentiality, this one as well as a numbered list. So we'll change this one to a numbered list. Then next step is format this list so the numbers are left aligned at the left margin with no space after each line. So there is no space after each line, so we just need to right click, and here is an option called paragraph, and then choose here no spacing, 0, and just left align 0. Okay, just like that. And then after spell check and proofread the document, make sure that the tables are not split, there is no widow and orphan, no blank page, the house test specification has been followed, spacing is consistent. So that's the end of Word document. We just need to use the spell check now. We ignore Tawara, we do not change this. Well-being of our staff is, if it is required, we just need to change. Yes, so it's staff, we don't ignore it. And that is actually here, or this we ignore it. Yeah, committed. This one is only a single T, so we just change. And attend, we just need to change, ignore, and that's all. So that's the end of Word document. Hope you have learned how to deal with the Word document. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updated videos.